In this video, let us journey further along the channel of river Mahadayi. We are still in Karnataka, we are still in Belgaum district, trying to map the course of the river as it begins from Bautacho Dongur near Degaon village. And in the previous videos, I have brought you up to Kapoli. Now we are reaching Kotni. Now Kotni is near Shapoli village, and there is an area called Chirekhand where there is a river called Wagdachi Nadi. Wagdachi Nadi means river of Wagda, Vagada. But this Wagdachi Nadi or Wagdachi Nai, locally known as Wagdachi Nai or river of Wagda, in the downstream area, local people call it Kotni Nala. Now I don't know why they call that as Kotni Nala. Nala means a stream, and why this location where Wagdachi Nai or Kotni tributary of one of the major tributary of Mahadayi in this area. Now it will become mightier at Kotni because previously we have seen that they were all definitely they were important streams, but we couldn't call those as important tributaries. But Kotni definitely is a very promising tributary, and that's why government of Karnataka is interested in impounding the water of the Kotni Nala and build their Mahadayi hydroelectric dam, hydroelectric project. Earlier they wanted to do 350 megawatt, but now I think they are aiming for about 500 megawatt. And imagine if they impound 24 TMC feet water, then the water spread will be submerging almost 20 to 25 square kilometer of the forest area. So I don't know how that can be permitted and all that, because it is a very dense thick forest also near Bhimgad sanctuary. So this is the location where Mahadayi river, you can see that becomes a mightier river with huge inflow from Kotni Nala or Wagdachi Nai. So let us not mistake that Kotni Nala is also known as Wagdachi Nai or Wagdachi river, Wagda river. So from here there is a plan also to divert through various diversion structure the water from Kotni towards Malaprabha. So basically we have reached a point here where we distinctly can understand the importance of these locations, because here Mahadayi channel becomes extremely interesting for planning different projects for Karnataka. Up to Kapoli, Pastoli, Kongal and all, there was not much interest because the river flow was not much promising. But immediately after the Wagdachi Nai or Kotni Nala or Kotni tributary joins Mahadayi channel, suddenly now it becomes a promising project. So we have towards the north another stream called Irti Nala. Now there is also a proposal by Karnataka government to dam the Irti Nala, which joins Mahadayi, the river channel, and it is below Kotni stream, and then we see that first Kotni, then Irti. So all these both of these contribute to the channel of the Mahadayi river as it flows further, and then we get so much of water cascading down because suddenly the morphology changes, the rock formations also show a sudden change, and the river flows through a very deep valley, and then it cascades down from huge rocks and beautiful types of you can see those type of rocks on which the huge amount of water cascades down, and the location is known as Poyo waterfall or Vajra Poyo waterfall. Now this is just below Irti Nala or Irti stream, and it is such a meander. It is a very very sharp type of and very I would say that the river meanders in such a way as if it is a very violent way of distortion. I don't know what happened so that the river has taken that type of violent turn. And suddenly from western direction, please note down this, that first Mahadayi was flowing towards north, then it turns towards the west. Now suddenly from its original western course up to Irti stream, the river takes a sudden direction towards the south. And then after emerging from that waterfall, Vajra Poyo or Poyo waterfall, it starts flowing again in western direction. So it is one of the major waterfall on the Mahadayi channel, and lots of people have shown interest in its ecotourism potential, waterfall tourism potential, and all. But we believe that a lot of regulations and guidelines are actually required. So we have reached now in our journey from Bautacho Dongor up to Poyo Vajra or Vajra Poyo waterfall. I don't know the meaning of Poyo. That Poyo is very common term in Konkani also for backwaters and all this. So maybe because of that, that backwater cascades from that rock formation, and that's why people call it Vajra Poyo waterfall. So basically, this is a very interesting location for those photographers, videographers, and all, and those who are interested in waterfall ecology, biology, and lithology, and anything that has to do with the waterfall studies. They should always visit this Poyo, Vadra Poyo waterfall before that it becomes extinguished by the so many projects of Karnataka in upstream areas. The time is running out for this Vadra Poyo waterfall.